Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you see your streak with your friends in Snapchat. So let's start up the process. Open up your Snapchat, then tap on second icon at the bottom of the screen, chats. Now here you can see chats of your friends. This fire icon in the front of your friend's profile indicates your streak with that friend. Your streak with your first friend is of 228 days. You can also see your streak from here. Tap on your friend's profile icon, and here at the fire icon you can see your streak with this friend, 228 days. Close, go back. Your streak with your second friend is of 14 days, then third one 9 days, 1 day, 2 day. Here you can see your streak with your friends. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.